Julie Shelton here of JK Studios, and today I am going to share with you the why behind my STEAM-based live raptor drawing workshop at the World Center for the Birds of Prey. STEAM is the merging of art and science together. In the beginning, I took participants through an art lesson of how to improve their observational drawing skills, and we observed taxidermy owls. That's right, owls that were not moving. Participants were instructed how to do this using the medium of charcoal and a kneaded eraser to capture feathers. Next, Curtis Evans, the curator of education for the World Center Birds of Prey, brought 2 live raptors into our workshop. So first we were able to draw a live American kestrel, and second we were able to draw an African Verreaux's eagle owl. While participants were drawing, Curtis Evans shared with our group the amazing conservation efforts of the Peregrine Fund to prevent raptor extinction, to protect habitats. And the Peregrine Fund's mission is to educate and teach people like you, yes, you, the difference that you can make to help protect raptors worldwide. So it's critical that you get connected and get out into nature and get drawing.